this side is the toolbox. Has all the gloves, towels, hoses, blow dryer. Self-contained unit. We can roll that right out of the truck.
It's on wheels.
Yes.
Okay.
Machine.
The little baby blind cleaning machine where you still have it on wheels.
Yes, it's on wheels. It's held in by a pipe. We can undo the pipe and just wheel it down the ramp and out.
I see.
In a matter of seconds.
Your spigot is to fill it up?
Yes, we have a regular kitchen spigot which is hooked up to a water heater with both an outside source of water and a 60-gallon drum of water. So that we can be completely self-contained as far as on this side we have, this is where I keep the foot pedals and the air compressor. In here I have on wheels the generators that we can just wheel up. And in here we have, this is just a storage cabinet for all the chemicals for the blind cleaning machine.
Right.
With a work area. And this closet. I have a box with smaller containers with the chemicals so you don't have to carry the 5-gallon drums around. You just take this right in with you. Have an air compressor. And then down here, in this closet we have the 3,300 watt generator that we could use to run the generator.
What's the generator run off of?
It's run off of gasoline, so that...
Connected right to the gas tank?
No, it's got a gas tank in it that we have to fill up.
Okay, and what is your hot water system running by?
That's run by propane, which I don't have, I didn't bring down with me. But the propane tank will fit where this vacuum cleaner fits, and it's all done by propane heat.
Through it again. This is your hot water system?
This is the water tank. This holds 60 gallons of water,
right?
Which is piped into the water heater, which is run by propane, which then runs through the faucet to fill up the little baby blind cleaning machine.
And the blind cleaning machine, okay, you'll show how we disconnect it shortly.
And then over here we just have tool chests. One is on wheels, so that we can take it into the cleaning area. We have just a chest with our air compressor and foot pedals, miscellaneous items. Then we have our generators, which are in a cabinet on wheels. That's on wheels, so we can wheel that right out. And then we have our chemicals.
Okay.
And then we have our air compressor.
Here, to the generator. Yeah.
We have our air compressor and our generator.
Can we open this side?
Mm-hmm.
Show how Bill takes it out.
Tape is threaded on one end, just in a hole. Just twist it out, pull it out. Set it aside.